decades, Microsoft Windows has been the undisputed king of the castle. It's easy, it runs every game under the sun, and your granny probably knows how to click the start button. Plus, the built-in antivirus stops you from accidentally downloading total junk. But lately, the king has gone rogue. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Microsoft is forcing creepy artificial intelligence onto computers, stuffing screens with annoying adverts, and pushing pricey subscriptions. Even worse, recent updates have broken systems so badly that users are fleeing in droves. An estimated 500,000 people have already dumped Windows because they're sick of the chaos. So where are they heading? Straight into the arms of Linux. Once upon a time, Linux was only basement-dwelling hackers typing endless rows of green code. But not anymore. Today, Linux has grown up. It's completely free, respects your privacy, and breathes life into old sluggish laptops that Windows 11 completely rejects. Modern versions look and feel just like the software you already know. Now, trendy layouts like Mint or Bassite make gaming and browsing a breeze without ever touching a scary command line. Is it perfect? Not quite. While clever tech wizardry lets Linux run a massive chunk of Windows software, some major apps and fancy graphics cards can still suffer from issues. You might need a tiny bit of brain power to get everything running smoothly. The bottom line is simple. If you want a lazy life where everything just plugs in and plays, suffer through Windows and hope for the best. But if you want to take back control, banish the corporate bloatware, and save cash, it's time to make the jump to Linux. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more console comparisons and gaming tips.